This is how to make Cash App auto accept payments. If you haven't already, this is very important. Make sure you go to the App Store, locate Cash App, and update the app. Once you've done that, let's go ahead and open it up. Now, it is a good thing to mention, if somebody sends you money or a business sends you money over Cash App, your account automatically takes it. You don't have to manually accept the payment. And a way for you to check to see if you have received the money, once you open the app, go in the bottom right and then scroll through your activity transactions on this list right here. And any one of these to the right that has a plus, that was money added onto your Cash App. Just like if I were to take maybe $5 and then press pay, and then I would send $5 to somebody like a close relative or something, they would not have to go on their phone and accept it. It already is in their account by the time you press send. But instead of auto accept payment, let's go ahead and see if we can enable reoccurring deposits. So we're gonna go on the bottom left to our homepage. We're gonna scroll all the way down till we see reoccurring deposits. Here it says auto add cash, automatically add funds to your Cash App from your bank. We're gonna enable that. And here's gonna see how often would you like to add the cash, daily, weekly, or monthly. Let's go ahead and do the 24th, why not? And here you will set the amount that you'd like Cash App to take from your bank account every 24th or whatever you're setting will be best work for you. That is how to make Cash App auto accept payments.